So, hello everyone, it's me again. I hope I don't have to introduce myself. If you don't know me, then that is your problem. Today we are going to debunk Betaflight, and I really hate Betaflight because they are just ripping off Butterflight, and I don't think that's acceptable. So I want to show you what I'm talking about here. I have made a few scripts. This one takes all the files in Betaflight. As you can see, they are here, and just adds them together into one file. And I have made the same for Butterflight. Again, here are all the files, and it just adds all the files together. And I want to show you something really interesting if I just run these scripts. Yeah, there are folders inside, and that's just a tiny mistake, but it works. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna run the other one. This one does not output any error because I didn't mess up the files, but yeah, so as you can see, here are the dumps, the Betaflight and the Butterfly dump, and okay, so I'm gonna show you that the latest versions are on my computer. So I'm just going to go inside the folder, and yeah, JIT, what JIT does is that it connects to GitHub's servers, and it sends all my files to the GitHub servers, and the GitHub servers tell me if I have the latest ones or not. It's a really cool trick. You should try it out once. So yeah, the GitHub has actually been recently bought by Microsoft, so it's going to be a part of Windows. It's pretty cool actually. Okay, so as you can see, everything is good, and I can do the same with Butterflight. It's going to connect to Butterflight's GitHub repository. I really like JIT. You can check your files with it. Okay, so as you can see, everything is okay. So now I'm going to compare the two dumps. To do that, I'm going to use diff and add the two files. And I'm going to save it to a file. Okay, perfect. So now I have the diff file. Okay, so now we are going to take a look at the difference file we just made, so we can just look right into it. Okay, now as you can see, it's quite long, and it's so complicated. Like, there's code like if def whatever and quotes, brackets, and stuff. It's so complicated, so you can just quit, and you can list the files. As you can see, the sizes, the Betaflight dump is, it begins with a 6. The Butterflight, it begins with a 5. That means that it's more optimized because the code is smaller. But this is the most important thing. The difference begins with a 7. So now if we put these numbers into a calculator, this is a professional calculator I have right here, we can add the original files together. Okay, and that's this really big number, and now we have to divide this by the difference. So we can just do this and 717. Okay, and now as you can see, it's quite a small number, and this means there are not too many differences between Betaflight and Butterflight, and this number has to be above 10. If it's below 10, then one project is copying the other one, and I think it's pretty clear which is copying which. So I really don't like Betaflight because they are just ripping off the hard work of the Butterflight folks, and I don't think that should be allowed on the internet. So yeah, I think we should do something against this, because this is really ridiculous. I may put these files on GitHub so you can check for yourself. You should really make an account there, because yeah, that's a pretty amazing site, and you can see the source code of Butterflight, which is just a marvel to look at. So yeah, I just wanted to expose Betaflight because it's ridiculous what they are doing. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Also, I wanted to tell you something, because who doesn't like post-recording voiceovers? In the next video we are going to learn how to use Git, how to add commits, and how to use commit messages effectively. We might take a look at github.com, but I can't promise that, so it's gonna be exciting. Stay tuned.